Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. I'm back with few more jobs and internship updates. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for regular updates and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. So starting with the video, Booking.com is hiring for junior software engineer and location is Amsterdam, Netherlands. Required skill is that you are 2022-23 graduate with bachelor or masters in software engineering or computer science or related STEM field, understanding of object-oriented programming and JavaScript, and so on. So if your eligibility match, then go and apply. Second update is from Ferry. It's hiring for software engineering intern. Location is in Bangalore and it's for 2022 batch pass out student. So go and apply if you are 2022 batch pass out. Third update is from RedBus. RedBus is hiring for software engineer, location in Bangalore, and 0 to 1 years of experience. And these are the key skills that you must have: Java, J2EE, HTTP, TCP, IP concept, web servers, threading, caching, etc., and so on. Fourth update is from Sutherland. Sutherland is hiring for software engineer developer development. Location is again Bangalore. Experience 0 to 2 years of, and these are the responsibilities. Qualifications: engineer degree in information system, computer science, information technology, or M.Sc student. And fifth update is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for support analyst, and these are the locations for 4 different locations. And these are the skills that they require: B.Tech, B engineering graduate. These are the preferred skills that they need. So go and apply. And the last update is from IBM. IBM is hiring for different roles. IBM Associate Engineer for 2023, 22, 21 grad. UI Developer again for the same batch. Then Software Development. Graduation is not mentioned, so basically it's for experienced person. Full stack application developer, content developer, IBM internship, software developer intern for 2022-25 pass out students. Again data engineer intern for 24 and 25 grad. So go and apply. All the links will be in the description. Please like the video and share it with your friends. Also follow our LinkedIn page for more regular job updates. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.